Your CapCut account is deleted or lost, leaving all your projects and edits out of reach on your iPhone. Most users panic here without knowing there's a simple way to recover it. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your CapCut account using your iPhone. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Forgot password. If you create your account with email, then follow this process. Open up the CapCut app, now tap on the Me tab or profile icon below. After that, tap on the Tap to Sign In option. Next, tap Sign In with email. After that, enter your email address. Here you will see the Forgot Password option. Tap on it, then recheck your email address. Then tap Send Code. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email address. Enter the code here, then tap Continue. Now enter the new password, and after that, tap Continue and your password is reset. Solution 2. Check Password Manager. Swipe left to reach out the app library. Then search passwords. Open up this app. Next, tap on All. Tap on the search bar below. Type CapCut. If you see CapCut option is available here, then tap on it. Here you will see your CapCut login credentials. Solution 3. Contact with support. Open up the CapCut app. Then tap on the Me tab. After that, tap on the settings icon from the top. Next, tap on Feedback here. Next, tap on Give Feedback from the bottom. Here you can chat with their AI agent. Just send a message to them that you forgot your password. There's one way to contact with support. Go to the Safari browser, search CapCut support, tap on the first URL, then scroll down until you see the form. Here, enter your name. Next, enter your active email address so that CapCut team can reach you. Then type your subject here like I forgot my CapCut password. Then write a message in this box that Dear CapCut team, I forgot my password and email address. Please help me recover my account and projects ASAP. Best regards. Then write your name. Finally tap Submit Form. Then CapCut team will reach out to you within 7 days. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, and thanks for watching.